Well, according to this, I got the transaction right here, sir, and let me explain, Rudy. The thing is the following. Every time that you send money using MoneyGram, all transactions are subject to review. Every single transaction is subject to review. Well, this is not about you. It's about everybody that sends money using MoneyGram. This is because MoneyGram is a company that is highly regulated that needs to comply with a high number of regulations. So based on that, MoneyGram decided that these specific transactions, sir, must be canceled and refund the money back to you. MoneyGram basically decided that this transaction, I can see that the previous one and this one must be canceled and give the money back to you, sir. This is the option available. This doesn't mean that you cannot send money. I can see that you have tried twice today, and it's been basically the same information. So, sir, but what I suggest is that you stop sending by today because it might happen the same thing again if you try it once again. So, according to this transaction, Rudy, I will have to cancel this because there is no way that the receiver can pick up the money, sir.
Okay, so my receiver is at the location and ready to pick up his funds, and you're telling me that what is the specific reason why it was canceled?
Well, actually, the transaction is not canceled yet. I must cancel this because it's a MoneyGram decision, sir. As I explained before, okay, MoneyGram decides basically which transactions go through and which don't. It's a MoneyGram decision, sir. That every time that you send money, you and everybody in the world, all transactions goes through this review process, and MoneyGram decide that. So I couldn't tell you a specific reason, but it's a MoneyGram decision, sir. I decided to cancel this.
Are you a representative of money? Are you a representative of MoneyGram?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm a MoneyGram customer service agent, sir.
Okay, and you're saying that MoneyGram denied me twice today, but you can't give me a reason other than you're highly regulated, but you can't tell me why this transaction was canceled. You can't tell me why?
Yes. Actually, what the information that I can give is that MoneyGram basically decides which transaction goes through and which don't. It's a MoneyGram decision, sir. MoneyGram basically decides that.
Yeah.
And that doesn't mean that you cannot send money anymore. But as I said before, it's not about you. It's about everybody. When any person in the world send money with MoneyGram, must understand that all transactions go through a review process, and transactions might go through or transactions might not go through. It's a MoneyGram decision, sir.
Yeah, but it's similar to having a restaurant and saying that you don't discriminate. Anybody can come into your restaurant, but if I try to walk into your restaurant, you say, I don't want you in my restaurant. It's like, well, I'm going to try to come in 5 minutes later and say, I try to come in 5 minutes later and enter a second time because I've done a second transaction. And you say, no, other people can come in, but you're not allowed to come in. But everybody's welcome, but you can't come in because we have denied you, right? And then you say, you can come back later. I'll come back later and you deny me again. I believe that you're being discriminatory, and I believe I've been singled out, and you've not given me any valid reason why I can't send money to my friend. I'm very disappointed. You've cost me a lot of time. I've been on the phone for now over an hour at least, maybe more than that, and you can't tell me why you've canceled my transaction. I've got the money. I've followed your questionnaire. I did everything properly. My friend showed up to pick up the money. He actually took time out of his day to drive to Walmart, and you guys are just running me around in circles. It doesn't make any sense. And I think it's unethical. I think it's dishonest. And I think it's discriminatory.
Well, sir, I understand that, okay? And, you gave me this example, sir. But as I explained before, it's not about you, sir. Even those people in the restaurant that you mentioned, maybe they send money again, okay? They tried before and the transaction did not go through. And they tried again, and this time they were able to do it. What I suggest is that you try it again, sir, because this is not about you. It's about everybody that sends money using MoneyGram.
Okay, but here,
saying that this is something that is applied only to Rudy Davis. No, it's about everybody that sends money with
okay,
MoneyGram.
but you realize that I've tried to send this money twice, right? And so now $440 have been sent, and I won't get that money back for another 10 days. So I have lost $440 for 10 days while you guys figure out how to get my money back. And you say it's not about me, but I haven't done anything wrong, right? And I think it's very deceptive. It's very discriminatory. It's almost like censorship. And I'm very disappointed. And I'm going to try to look for other ways to send money. I'm just very disappointed in this whole thing. And you keep saying it's not about Rudy Davis, but you keep saying to try again. But if I try again, that's going to be another $220. That's going to be $660.
Yes, I understand. So I wouldn't suggest that you try today, sir, because actually it might be the same thing.
Yeah, but
what I mean is that try, but some other day, not today.
the whole point, right? So $21.99 is a lot of money to pay for a fee. You agree? That's over 10%. I'm paying MoneyGram over 10% to get money somewhere quickly because I have a friend who needs it quickly. So I'm willing to pay you $21.99 to do it quickly, and I don't want to wait, right? The whole point of using you was to do it quickly, and now you're saying wait till tomorrow. There's something terribly wrong here, and I'm just saying it's a very discriminatory service, and for you to tell me that it's not about me, but then deny me and try me to try again tomorrow, it defeats the whole purpose. The whole purpose is to get my friend money quickly. So anyway.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess we're done. You have a good day.
So have a nice and wonderful day, and thank you for calling MoneyGram, sir. The money will get back to your account in that time frame, and in a few minutes, you are going to receive information about this cancellation, sir, and the refund in your email, okay?
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Okay, have a nice and wonderful day, and thank you for calling MoneyGram. Goodbye.